What if you could land, expand, and manage your customers more efficiently while maximizing the return on investment from your existing management stack? Here's how ApexaiQ makes it possible. With ApexaiQ, acquire customers up to 50% faster, saving up on onboarding costs. Our API engine connects to over 100 different security and management tools, offering fine controls to select the data you want from these platforms. Our custom integration connects to any in-house solutions you have built. We have our own discovery and also support Excel sheets and CSV uploads. Simply feed it into our platform and you get clean, real-time, and actionable data. The kind of data that expands your sales opportunities and professional service offerings. Expand your hardware sales and maintenance renewals as we show you exactly how many assets by device type have reached end of life or will reach end of life within the next 12 or 12 plus months. We also show you a breakdown of assets by vendor and the associated risks. True up maintenance renewals with a single click and in real time. No more spending months trying to get an accurate picture of your customer's environment. We show you every piece of hardware, firmware, operating system, and software installed within your customer's environment in great detail. This way, you can also true up licenses in real time. Push data outbound into ticketing and procurement platforms, reducing friction throughout the sales process. Boost your professional service offerings by fixing coverage gaps. Here's an example. Are all of my laptops and desktops running all my security and management tools like Active Directory, CrowdStrike, Drata, ServiceNow, and Tenable? You can fix security gaps by ensuring these security and management tools are configured correctly. Have we set a password expiration time in Active Directory? Is the firewall policy applied in CrowdStrike? Are the drives of these machines encrypted in Drata? Let's make sure they're not marked as retired in ServiceNow. While we're at it, why not make sure they don't have any critical or high-risk vulnerabilities? Take it a step further. You can now patch assets by triggering outbound actions through ApexaiQ and know exactly what to patch, as we also prioritize vulnerabilities and vulnerable assets for you. Not just based on CVS's severity for every vulnerability on the network, but also showing you vulnerabilities that have previously been exploited, along with the fix provided by CISA. For vulnerabilities not yet exploited, we rank them by the EPSS score, which shows you how easily they can be exploited. Push the data outbound to patching platforms like Ansible, YubiCube, or any other platform based on your remediation measures. And the best part, you can automate all of the above. ApexaiQ simplifies everything further by giving you a way to manage it all in one place for all your customers. Not just that, you can give your customers access to their own data, which acts as a 24/7 real-time report of their environment. To recap, ApexaiQ speeds up your customer onboarding time by up to 50%, boosts revenue, and increases your operational efficiency by 20% or more. This way, your return on investment in ApexaiQ goes beyond just time and cost savings. ApexaiQ for efficiency, ApexaiQ for business growth, ApexaiQ for peace of mind, and so much more. MSPs run on Apexai.